Good evening, students. Welcome to one more session of your WOC. This is your Vani ma'am. I think okay, students are busy, once again busy, if I have to tell you, after seeing your board examination dates. In what way busy? I think enjoying. Right, students, nothing. Remember, because your practical dates are already announced, try not to waste time. Okay, you've been preparing for all these 6 months to 8 months sitting at home, isn't it? Now it's time for you to do your quick revision. So I started with the immense organic, basically your organic identification, reactions, paragraph based questions, MCQs, all will be done by me as I promised. So today we are going to see the identification based questions of organic chemistry. This is the most important part of your organic chemistry, which is given for 3 marks in the exam paper. So let us see how to study, how to write in the exam paper, how to solve it. So this is your Vani ma'am, starting with the topic identification questions for your board examinations. Let's crack the board examinations and see how can we get marks. Let us read the question first, students. Right. So what does this say? This says an organic compound A having molecular formula, okay, So a compound C3H6 on treatment with aqueous sulfuric acid gives B, right, which on treatment with Lucas reagent gives C. That's also okay. The compound C on treatment with ethanoic acid or ethanolic acid, ethanolic KOH gives back on compound A. Identify A, B and C. These are called identification based questions, right? So paragraph would be given to you where basically first a formula would be given to you and you need to identify, means just for your clue, you need to identify what is A, what is B and what is C. Let us start solving such questions. Let me take one paper and I'll put this particular paper, white paper here, and so that I can know the clues. So first thing, what did they say? There is an organic compound A having molecular formula C3H6 itself. So how to solve this question? Solution, a compound that is your C3H6, right? This is your compound A. What happened to this? What did they do? They have treated this compound with aqueous sulfuric acid, H2SO4. This is fine. Then Unacademy, the biggest online platform, learning platform in India. Let's crack it. I'm Vani Potepalli, the verified educator for grade 12 students, CBSE, ICSE as well as state board students are with me.
Unacademy CBSE class 11 and 12 introduces Pen It Down Subjective Test Series. The link is given in the description and the series is going to start on 9th January 2021. Please go through the link and use my referral code. It's for free students. The upcoming classes are doubt clearance session every Monday and Tuesday. Special classes include tips to learn general organic chemistry, tricks to perform chemistry board practicals, mind maps for organic and inorganic chemistry, and quiz. That too along with the fun facts of grade 11 students. Please join me in the special classes and enjoy the sessions.
These are the Unacademy Plus subscription features where you have daily practice sessions, mock tests which are going on, live quizzes which will be going on, subjective test series coming soon. Join us. Unacademy iconic subscription features include personal mentors. You have live doubt clearing sessions. Weekly reports will be sent to the parents. Parent Connect, where the report will be sent to the parent and the educators are in contact with the parents too. A study planner is perfectly planned and all benefits of Plus also will come under iconic subscription. This is the class 11 subscription. Don't forget to use my referral code, that is Vani10 or Vani Life. This is the subscription rates you can go through. Grade 11 iconic subscription prices, that is again Vani 10, Vani Life. Note my referral code. Next comes your grade 12 subscription where prices are given. You have an option of 3 months and 6 months. Please try to use the code Vani 10 or Vani Life to get that 10% discount. Then comes the grade 12 iconic subscription, 6 months, very less amount. So you can take that particular thing, use my referral code Vani 10 and Vani.
Unacademy introduces Unacademy Ascent competition. That's on January 10th. 2021. So it's an all-India championship for grades 6 to 12. Enroll it today, students, for free and win a scholarship of 5 lakhs. A big amount, isn't it? So again, I'm mentioning the date. It's on Jan 10th, 2021. Enroll it for free. Why should you attempt the Unacademy Ascent All India Championship? Basically, it's a unique competition where all the subjects are conducted in one paper. and it's an all-in-one ranking where you can compare your progress for your exam preparation. It's a detailed performance report which will be given to you, and you can track your improvement areas. Scholarship worth 5 lakh plus. It's too much, isn't it, students? So here the exam duration is 1 hour, number of questions are 40, marks are 100. Syllabus is the entire NCERT Maths and Science syllabus. Prices would be rank 1 to 3 Unacademy plus 6 months CBSE subscription, and rank 4 to 10 would be Unacademy plus 1 month CBSE subscription. Avail this chance.
And what did they do? They have got a compound B, right, students? Then this compound B, whatever is there, it's treated with which one? They said it's treated with Lucas reagent. That is what they said. Yes, they treated with Lucas reagent. Perfect. Lucas reagent is what, students? It's nothing but ZnCl2 and HCl. Perfect. It has given me compound C. This compound on treatment with alcoholic KOH has given compound D. No, it has given compound A only, they said. Yes, it has given compound A only. Now I am supposed to identify this. Now, when such questions are given to you, first try to write what is the role of each reagent. Right? Now check. Aqueous sulfuric acid. What is its role, students? Tell me. It is diluted. What will it do? It's going to add or hydrolyze the particular reaction. Okay, hydrolysis. Aqueous it is, not concentrated. So it's going to perform hydrolysis reaction. It's going to add water molecule. Okay, what is the role of zinc chloride plus HCl? Remember, students, it is used to convert alcohols to alkyl halides. This is what is the role, alcohols to alkyl halides. Fine. What is the role of alcoholic KOH? We have two things. One is aqueous KOH, one is alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH does dehydrohalogenation or elimination reaction. It's going to remove your HX from the reaction. Correct, no? So first of all, this is what I understand from the reagents, and I write it perfectly, and I start with the conversions now. Got it? So once, as soon as such questions are given to you, write the role of the reagents and it's easy for you. Now start. C3H6. Expand the formula 1. Now first of all, when I write C3H6, students, what are you observing? N is equal to 3. Okay. Now 2N is equal to 2 into 3, 6. That means, is it not in general formula of alkenes? CnH2n, it should be an alkene. So now I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, your hydrogen double bond CH2H. This is an alkene. This is our compound A. Now you're treating it with aqueous sulfuric acid. What will it do? It's going to add water. So plus HOH. The bond is going to break here. There is no peroxide, so it follows Markovnikov addition. Negative addendum adds to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogens. So OH goes and adds to this carbon, giving me CHOH, and hydrogen goes and adds to this carbon, giving me CH3. What is this? This is compound B, secondary alcohol. Now, to this secondary alcohol, you are treating alcoholic KOH. What is it going to do? Elimination reaction. We have written here, isn't it? We have written this as 1, this is 2, this is 3. Elimination reaction. How it's going to remove, students? Simple. It's going to remove one hydrogen. Suppose this is CH3. Let me write H and H like this. It's going to remove OH from this carbon, H from this carbon, and this bond is going to shift, and I am going to get again compound A, alkene. See here, alkene. That is what they have written. A to B, okay, B to C. Now, what did we miss? We have missed something called Lucas reagent. So did I write that? I didn't write that. I missed out. I have to be careful. Again, take this compound B because I missed out. I'm going to rewrite the thing from B. Right? So let me take this secondary alcohol only. One more page. Right? So secondary alcohol, I'm starting again. For you all, secondary alcohol I'm taking from B. Let me write, shall I write A for you again? Let me write, not a problem for you. It's everything for you only, no students. This is your alkene A. This I am treating with aqueous sulfuric acid. I have formed a compound alcohol B. Then I treated it with Lucas reagent Zn plus HCl, which converts, or what does it do? It's going to substitute COH by Cl, and I get one compound CH3CHCl. Now your aqueous KOH, whatever is there, it does dehydrohalogenation reaction. Chlorine from here, hydrogen from here, so minus HCl, I be getting a bond shifts to this part, and I get an alkene. That's nothing but A. Correct? This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Got it? Simple, students, easiest one. Yes, right, very good. So I think you're following how to do it. So gradually, once you get, you need to take, and in the exam paper you need to write like that. So A part is alkene. You need to write like this. A is alkene. What is B now? B is your secondary alcohol. What is C? C is your alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, 2-chloropropane. D is your, again, A only, that is your propanene. Perfect? Easy? Yes. This is how you have to do. Let me move my table a little bit so that it's clear for you. Right, students. Now let us come and solve the next question. Let me take out. So I'm just showing you the question. This is your question. Let me show you both the pages so that it is clear for you. Let me show everything once for you all. Okay. This is my question. This is the procedure I have to write. Then I have written the complete thing. That is your procedure, complete procedure for that. Then finally I have ended my answer writing A, B, C, D. Basically D is nothing but, it is nothing but A only. Okay. A and D both are same. Got it, students? Perfect. Now let us see the next question. Question number 2. What did they give me? Alkyl halide is treated with alcoholic KOH, which is giving X. X in the, or it is undergoing hydrolysis, it gives me Y. Y is treated with PCl5, it gives me Z. I have to identify what? I have to identify what is X, what is Y, and what is Z. Let us start. This is an alkyl halide. The role of this, I told, as soon as you get such questions, write the role. Alcoholic KOH, what does it do? It does dehydrohalogenation. It is going to remove hydrogen and halogen, nothing but elimination reactions. It's going to do beta elimination reactions, When you do this hydrolysis, H plus, or in the presence of water, that particular nothing, it's going to do hydrolysis to that particular compound, hydrolysis. After this, what is the next one? Y, PCl5. What is this role? PCl5 is going to add the halogen chlorine atom. Wherever OH is there, that's going to replace that with chlorine atom. Okay, got it? Now, shall we try with the reaction now? Yes. Now, check here. CH3, CH2, CH2Br. Alcoholic KOH has to remove halogen and hydrogen, dehydrohalogenation. Br from here and H from here, Br from here and H from here, and there is a formation of the bond, something like this. CH3, your hydrogen, CH2, your Br, isn't it? Dehydrohalogenation with this bond, hydrogen shifts here. What am I going to get? I am going to get an alkene. This is my X. This one you are hydrolyzing it, H plus and water. Same thing, there is no peroxide. Perfect. Negative addendum goes and adds to the carbon having lesser number of hydrogens. What product I get? OH adds here, H adds here. What will I get? CH3, CH, OH. This is my compound Y. This one I am treating with PCl5. I said what will it do? It's going to replace OH with Cl. Correct, no? It's going to replace OH with Cl. Let me move my page a little bit above. So OH by Cl, what product will I get? I'm going to get Cl at the OH position, and this is nothing but Z. Simple, simplest reactions. I think nothing. Concept should be clear, students. If concepts are clear, it is easy for you to solve any type of reaction. Easy. Shall we see the next question? Yes. Right, students. Let us see the next question. A big question now. Let us read. An organic compound A on heating with ammonia and cuprous oxide at high pressure gives compound B. The compound B on treatment with ice cold solution of NaNO2 and HCl gives compound C, which on heating with copper turnings and HCl gives compound A again. Identify A, B, C compound. Perfect. Now we will write one statement. What is that statement? They said compound A, let us go back to the question again. They said compound A is on heating with ammonia and cuprous oxide. Let me write that. A compound A, it seems it's treated with what? NH3 and Cu2O. It's forming compound B. This one you're treating with NaNO2 plus HCl. What is it forming? It's forming compound C. This one further you're treating with copper by HCl. It's forming compound A again. What is this compound? Correct? No? This is what is this. Now they have given directly one question, organic compound, this, that they said, but any clue is there? Let us go and see in the question. They said an organic compound heating with ammonia at high pressure gives compound B, everything they gave, and gives compound C. And here there's one clue. C, which on heating with copper turnings and HCl gives compound A again. This is what they said. Now tell me which is that compound which reacts with NaNO2 and HCl. NaNO2 and HCl. Yes, students, nothing but aromatic compound, nothing but aniline. Correct? No? The aniline, it reacts with NaNO2 and HCl, nothing but forming a BDC compound. Remember? Just like a Sand-Mayer's reaction. BDC compound, then further you treat it with copper chloride. Right? Correct? So, I have got a clue. Now, according to me, compound B should be aniline. Now, come back. So, compound B should be aniline. I guessed because this is almost NaNO2 plus HCl, Sand-Mayer's sort of reaction, just like your BDC formation. This is aniline. So, I am treating with NaNO2 plus HCl. I am going to get which one? BDC. Correct? No? That is N2Cl. Now, come back. I am treating with ammonia and copper oxide. Okay, I think I've already told you once in one of the videos. Whenever you're treating, okay, whenever you're treating or if you want to form amine compound in the presence of a reducing agent, okay, you can take or treat the haloarenes with ammonia. Means if you want to prepare amine compound, you can treat the haloarenes with ammonia in presence of a reducing agent and you get amines. Got it? Yes, students? So, amine. This is your BDC. Now, they said when you are treating with copper and HCl, again a reducing agent, you will get compound A back. Correct? No? Here what happens? N2 gas is released out and chlorine remains here only. Perfect. So, what is this? Your compound A is your chlorobenzene. Compound B is your aniline. Compound C is your BDC. Compound A again is chlorobenzene. Simple. Simple, students. Yes, that is how you have to do it. Basically, when you're treating with HBr, this is the nucleophile here. This is the nucleophile. Substitute that nucleophile. So, CH3, COH, CH3, treating with HBr, you get, I told you, substitute that Br, both are nucleophiles, you get Br and CH3. This is your compound X. Now, what did you do? You treated with alcoholic KOH. What is its role? Elimination reaction. Dehydrohalogenation reaction. From where you're going to remove? You're going to remove Br from here, H from here. Suppose if it is like this, Br from here and H from here, bond comes out and this bond shifts here. So CH3, CH, double bond CH2. What is this compound? This is Y. Now you're treating it with peroxide, HBr and peroxide, anti-Markovnikov addition. The negative part of the halogen goes and adds to the carbon having more number of hydrogens. So write it. HBr, peroxide. So write down anti-Markovnikov addition. So double bond breaks and Br goes and adds to this carbon. CH3, CH2, single bond, CH2Br. This is a Z. Simple right here. X is what, students? X is nothing but CH3, CHBr, CH3. What is Y here? Y is nothing but your alkene, propene. What is Z? According to anti-Markovnikov addition, it is Br. Simple. Yes, students, see how simply I solved it and given it to you. So you can also try. Shall we do one more question? Yes, students, let us do one more question for you all. Yes, perfect. Almost similar. Let us see. Again, alcoholic KOH. So alcoholic KOH always does elimination, dehydrohalogenation reaction. It's going to remove HBr. Perfect. Take this solution. C2H5Br. If you want to write, you can simply write like this. This can be written as CH3, CHBr. I'll write one hydrogen. Okay, CH2 here. This I'll pick up from where? I'll pick up from where? One bromine from here, one hydrogen. Adjacent one you need to pick up. So it's something like this, isn't it? Yes, one hydrogen from here, one bromine from here. Okay, that comes out with this bond and this bond shifts in this. What do I get now? Alcoholic KOH. I'll get an alkene or ethene. This is compound A. Now you're treating this compound A with bromine. How many bromines are there? 2 bromines are there. So it's going to form vicinal halides, dihalides. Vicinal means on 2 different carbon atoms. Your CH2, this bond breaks, CH2, Br and Br. What is this? This is B. Perfect. So what is A? A is ethene. B is vicinal halide. Vicinal halide. Perfect, students. Simple. Okay, right. Now let us see one more question. I think by this time you are following what Vanimam is doing. So let us check one more question. Now, C6H5NO2 plus NaNO2 HCl. Okay, whenever you see sodium nitrite in HCl, nothing. It's a conversion of aniline to BDC. Simple. Okay, let us write that. What did I give? So C6H5NH2 diazotization sort of thing, but if I have to tell you Sand-Meyer's reaction, but 0 to 5 degrees is not mentioned, so I can't say that. I am making it to aniline BDC. This is our A. If you're treating with CuBr, now this is Sand-Meyer's reaction. See here, after NaNO2 HCl, you're treating with CuBr, CuCl, CuI, like that. It is called, your nitrogen gas comes out. Okay, then your bromine replaces chlorine, Br. This is a compound B. Simple, students? Yes. So I think you're becoming perfect by this time. Let us check one more question. What did they give me here? They said here in this question, chlorobenzene is treated with sodium hydroxide in the presence of 622 Kelvin temperature and pressure. It's giving A. This on hydrolysis gives B. You only tell me now, what is sodium hydroxide, 622 Kelvin pressure? What is going to form? Always remember, whenever it is phenol, it forms sodium phenoxide ion. Same thing. chlorobenzene, it's going to form a phenol ion. Remember that. Whenever you have sodium hydroxide, you should not cleave as Na plus OH minus, because I have to get your sodium phenoxide ion. The solution looks like this. Your ring, chlorine, NaOH, cleave the bond here, 623 Kelvin. Pressure also is here only, break it. So your HCl comes out and you get sodium phenoxide ion. This is stable compound, phenoxide ion basically, or sodium phenoxide. This on further hydrolysis, what is going to happen? Just like this, NOH. So if I have to tell you, minus and plus, plus and minus, OH goes and attacks this oxygen, Na comes and attacks with this OH. So this becomes phenol. This is B. Got it, students? So A is sodium phenoxide, B is your phenol. One last question, students. I think you're enjoying the concepts. So let me take some white papers also. Let us read this question and see. What is this? A compound A contains carbon and hydrogen only and has molecular mass of 72. Perfect. Molecular weight is 72 grams, AMU rather. Its photochlorination gives a mixture containing only one molecule. That is, it's going to give monochloro and 2 dichlorohydrocarbons. Deduce the structure of A and chlorinated products. Perfect. They said a compound A contains carbon and hydrogen and molecular mass 72. So 72 molecular mass, nothing. How can I, ma'am, if with I see atomic mass, how will I know? Here they have given a clue. Its photochlorination gives a mixture containing monochloro and 2 dichloro derivatives, they said. Correct? No? Monochloro and 2 dichloro derivatives means compulsory they should be total how many? See here, monochloro 2 dichloro means 2 plus 1 3. Total there should be a carbon. Around that you have alkyl groups. Shall we see that? Now first of all, how to do this? Let's start. They said a compound A, molecular mass is 72, molecular weight is 72 AMU. Now it gives mono and dichloro, right? So the compound is nothing but C5H12. I'll tell you how did I do this. So because they said it's going to give me 2 compounds, one is mono chloro derivative and dichloro derivative. This is what it says. Correct? No, this is what it says. Derivative. Now take this, try to write the structure. So C5, okay, around carbon 1 2 3 4, all should be alkyl groups. Why? Because I have to form these 2 derivatives. No, I have to substitute. Take this. You are doing on photochlorination the set. Correct? No? Photochlorination, add chlorine in the presence of what? Chlorine and H nu. So first thing, this chlorine, it's going to replace 1 hydrogen from here. Is it fine, students? This chlorine is going to replace 1 hydrogen from here. What product will I get? I'll get CH3 carbon, CH3 CH2 Cl. Okay, 1. So 1 monochloro, this is over. What else is there? What else is there? It can replace this hydrogen. Correct? One more product. Yes, students. So what is left now? HCl is left. This is okay. Along with that, 1 monochloro derivative. This is formed. 1 monochloro derivative is formed. I have to form 2 dichloro derivatives. Where will I substitute? Where will I substitute? I can substitute here. Both are same, either one. I'll substitute here. 1 more hydrogen is here. I'll substitute here. That means 2 products you get CH3, CH2Cl, CH3, CH2Cl. 1 compound. 1 more. Still there is hydrogen. No? I can substitute this hydrogen also. What will I get? CH3, CH3. Now you can take That's also not a problem, but because hydrogens are there, I took that. CH, Cl2 and CH3. These two are dichloro derivatives. These two are what? Dichloro compounds, because they have told dichloro, no? That's why. Compounds. Perfect. Right. So students, I think you have understood clearly how to do identification questions. I'll be doing more and more for you all. Thank you so much for watching, and watch my upcoming video. Thank you. Stay happy. Vani ma'am signing off. Thank you so much. God bless you, students. Thank you.